Let's learn how to use the sum function to add values across multiple sheets. So right here I have salary expenses from January to March and also a total table. So if I were to calculate the total salary manually, I would have to add these cells one by one. But this can be time consuming if there are multiple sheets. So let's learn a shortcut. So start by typing the sum function. Go to the first cell that needs to be added, and while pressing down on the shift key, click on the last sheet. Close bracket and press enter. And now we have the total salary expense for this employee. You can also drag this formula down. But we have another problem here. So if we insert a new month, this formula needs to be updated again. So let's fix that. So I'm going to create a copy of the March sheet. And rename it. And I'm going to clear the values first. And let's enter the sum formula again to include the new sheet. So click on the first sheet that needs to be added, press on the shift key and click on the last sheet. And copy this formula below. And now if I insert a new sheet, the totals would be updated automatically. So let's check that. So I'm going to rename it to April. And let's check the totals. So there you go. So that's how you can use a shortcut to add values across sheets.